Fabric paints are fun to use and a great way to add some creativity to your clothes or homewares. For painting on fabric, you will need fabric color pencils and color brushes. Fabric painting works very well on cotton clothes. First, draw your desired design on the cloth, then start painting with different colors on the design. For any dark material, we recommend painting the area you're wanting to paint using a white fabric paint color first. The white will catch the colors and make them pop more on a dark surface. This step is essential if you're planning to paint lighter colors like yellow or orange on a darker surface too. Allow this base layer to touch dry, then apply your fabric paints or draw your design over the top in pencil before painting. Fabric paint is of course designed to stick to fabric and clothes, so it's incredibly difficult to remove this type of paint, even before it's had time to set. The best thing you can do is avoid getting fabric paint anywhere it might cause damage. Each brand of fabric paint will have different instructions on how to set it. We recommend placing baking paper or a light cloth over your design and then ironing over the top for 3 to 5 minutes, according to the fabric specifications to set your design. Once ironed, wash your garment inside out on the first wash, then you're good to go. If you take good care of your project, fabric paint can last a long time. To get the most out of your fabric paint creations, hand wash your fabric after it's set and any time you need to, by washing with a cold, gentle hand wash and mild detergent. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching our channel.